Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to find deleted friends on Snapchat. It's pretty easy, so let's get right into the video. Once you have logged in into your Snapchat account, head over to your Bitmoji by clicking the Bitmoji icon on the upper left corner. Then head over to the settings section. If you scroll down, you can see an option My Data. Tap on it. Once it's open, make sure that export HTML files is enabled and chat history and user information is enabled too. Then click on next. Then just select the date you want to get your information off. Then click on submit and they will send you your data to your email that with which you have opened up in your Snapchat account. So this is my one. So after that, when I will get the email, they will attach the zip file of my data with it. So when I extract it, there will be my friends history, my Snapchat history, my data, everything. So from that, I can see from the friends section, I can see my deleted friends option and the friends I have deleted from my friends group or my followers or friends section. And yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.